what going my people? This is Raman Beer, CEO Melvin OG. You're welcome to Raman Beer at GTCO Food and Drinks. First and foremost, a big shout out to GTCO Food and Drinks for the opportunity. We're very happy to be here today. Also, Lami Films, big ups to you guys. Doing a great job. Come. Roll this shit, baby! Go! Roll it!
This is Baladi Silva here. We're out here at GTCO Food and Drinks, and I'm representing A Plus Drinks and Cocktails here. Come to the A Plus stand and buy cocktails. I'm here, I'm waiting for you. Shout out to Lami Films!
I'm Chef Yomi, head chef at City Sub. We make amazing burgers and sandwiches, also pastries too. So yeah, in case you need any of those, just stop by. Shout out to Lami Films.
And I'm the CEO of Workbox Oriental Express. We are Chinese cuisine. We do daily orders. We do we do many after party orders. They call us. We have mini bowls. So we do pastas. We do noodles, stir fries, just a whole bunch of Oriental food.
Signature. So we are here live at GTCO Food and Drink Festival 2024 edition. So we are here, we're serving asun, pepper asun, signature asun, turkey, chicken, we have pop-up, we have small chops in general, we have pasta, we have gizzard. So we would love to have you around. We'll be here from now till Sunday night, 10 p.m. on Sunday. Thank you so much. Shout out to Lami Films.
And we have drinks too. We have turkey, grilled turkey, roasted turkey, anyhow you want it. And shout out to Lami Films.
And this is King Lab Cuisine. We have amazing pasta, as you can see right now, and we have the best firewood jollof rice in show. So shout out to Lami Films.
Right now you're chilling with the Plantain Lifestyle brand, Dodo Gang. We're here at the GT Bank Food and Drink Festival, man. Come to our store, we have plantain lifestyle in full effect. Anything you want, plantain tacos, plantain protein, plantain t-shirts, plantain cookbooks, plantain bucket hats, everything you need, plantain, yeah.
So my name is Jessie Cakes and Pastries, and I'm a registered business as Cakes and Treats by Jess. So I'm here at the GTCO Food and Drink Festival 2024, and here this is my first time. I'm excited to be here because, of course, you get to meet new clients. I grow my client base, get new contacts, networking, and make money. That's the goal, okay? All right, so I bake cakes. I have cake slices, I have brownies, I have cookies, I have snacks like meat pies, sausages, donuts, milky donuts, yes. I also have cookies, healthy cookies, and I have chocolate chip cookies as well. You guys should come to our stand and you need to try our products. They're absolutely nice, delicious. We also have here cakes. I also have cake slices with fillings, chocolate fillings, strawberry fillings, and so on and so forth. So thank you so much, and shout out to GTCO Food and Drink. Shout out to Lami Films.